Thank you guys for watching and give us a big thumbs up and hit the like, subscribe it.
Nice without the mask. Yeah, okay. Mashallah, right?
Yeah.
And it's gonna be easy for you to breathe too. And you're at home, so you don't need to worry about it.
I guess so. Okay, guys, I'm going back.
We're back, right?
Whoa! Not the orange.
There is no race, okay? There is no competition. So.
I know, I'm just doing that. And we're going to do another one.
Yeah?
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Are we doing
Now, Fiza, your penguin is down. Can you lift it, please?
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping? Okay.
Yeah, he likes to sleep all day long. Oh, yeah.
Sleepy head, is it?
He has a break. He has a vacation.
Okay.
Yeah, he's on vacation. No, orange. So, where's the new orange? I mean, next.
It's okay. You got a tissue right next to you, right?
I'm thinking if I should do that.
Okay.
I don't get wasted.
Great. You know
I don't want to waste.
you don't want to waste, right? Wasting is haram, right?
I like my paint. How is this so hard?
It's not hard. First, keep it upside down for a few seconds, and then just wait, and then squeeze slowly. We opened that cap, right? The safety cap for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It just have to be a little hard on that, I think.
That's a lot.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Be careful, okay? Don't waste. Yeah.
Because she did. An accident.
Yeah, that's a lot of Tanisha. You shouldn't be, putting a lot.
Oh, that was easy. Daddy, why are you being so far away?
Oh, so I can catch both of you at the same time, right? You see, you need
Okay, this is
experience in order to
I got
do
enough.
videos as well, right?
The yellow one's super easy.
Yeah.
It's like I have to close it. I have to do it really fast.
You really need to start brushing.
Yeah, no, I'm doing it right now.
Okay. Because then you'll see how much you need, right? More to make it look like sunset.
She's copying me.
Do you
No,
need
I
a
don't.
different brush? You can get a bigger brush, Tanisha.
Let me see if I can. Okay, this is weird.
What
This.
Okay, I think the brush is very small. So you need to get a little bigger brush.
So I
than
think the
that.
Fiza has a bigger one. I do.
Yeah, she is a little bigger than you.
I think they have a smaller.
You have more brushes, right?
Huh? Yeah, we have one.
Okay.
Let me get another one.
Okay. Oh, it's coming out nice, right?
Yeah. Great. Dad, I got all of them.
Okay, great. How's it going?
Bad.
Why? It's okay. That could be a nice painting. You
It
never
could
know.
be an art.
It can
This
be
is
a-
my art.
Yeah. How about yours?
Good.
Coming out nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got some paint on the side, so make sure you
How does he get to do that?
clean it before you make
Here?
the table dirty. Yeah. Take the tissue.
I clean it.
Yeah, take the tissue and remove it while it's still, soft, okay? Before it dries out.
Dad, can I do my,
The paint,
can I do my other
the yellow
one?
paint that's on the table. Thank you.
But I can wipe it with the white. Can I use my,
No, you can
can I
use the
do my
tissue
other
while
one? I use it before I make a fish.
Okay, nice. Very good.
Can I do my other one now?
Are you done with this?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a weirdo sunset. I'm gonna cut it out and make something.
Okay, put this on the side and we can work on the other one.
It's already done.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. How about yours?
No.
You're not done yet? Okay.
Yeah, because she's a masterpiece.
Okay.
Oh!
Alright.
After this orange, nothing left to do except the line. Did you use this? No. I used it. Not yet. Yes, yet.
I saw you pouring blue.
Huh?
No, I saw Nafisa pouring some blue last time.
Yeah, I think that was the other one. I saw
the
her
light
use it,
blue.
but I don't.
But she did the light blue.
Yeah, I poured that.
This is teal, whatever you're using.
Yeah, I know.
It's a teal color.
Can
The
you
blue. the
Can
actual
somebody
blue.
help me open this?
Yeah.
I can feel it. I can feel the paint even though I'm not touching it. For real? Yeah. So, wait. Where's the yellow? Wait, I think oh yeah, I'm supposed to use white first.
Okay.
I
There's
used
white over there.
I did use any white. I forgot. White is my life. That's right. White is my life. Isn't it?
Hmm.
White
So-
is life. Lives. I know I said that. White is my life.
Sort of. Not completely.
Life and life rhyme.
Rhyme, yeah. Not white and
Life.
Yeah. Got it. Alright, let's see who's
I'm
doing
almost
what.
done.
You're almost done. Beautiful.
Well, I got that over.
Oh, nice, Nafisa. You got the
I need
land, the
white.
tree.
Give me the white. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to draw the rainbow. A different kind of rainbow.
Yeah? Okay.
Life is my art. Wait, art is my life.
Wow.
That life is my art.
What are you trying to do, Nafisa?
I tried to get it by squeezing it, but I can't.
No, you can't do
I
that.
forgot.
Yeah.
Can I just put it on here?
That's
Here,
why you use
here,
that
here.
palette, right? Use that palette.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is supposed to put it in the same place where I put it. Whatever. Now I gotta let it dry.
Yeah? What is that? Okay, that's moon?
No, that's a moon kind of.
Not the sun cannot be white, right? Can it?
You can.
Sun?
Yeah.
When did you see a white sun?
Dude.
Unless your father is white, right?
Yeah. Wait.
It's
Can
a
there
joke.
be white people?
Yeah.
Wow, let's go.
And what?
You said can people be white? You said that's a moon. So
Yeah,
I'm putting stars.
people can be
I'm
you
putting
know, in
stars.
color depending
Guess
on
what this is?
Allah gives you.
Guess
Okay.
what this is?
What is it?
Guess.
It's a cardboard. But I cut
No,
it.
guess. No, Daddy. Somebody. No. Whoever's watching, they gotta guess what did we cut out of it. Guess what box that we used.
I believe they already know. They saw this at the beginning. If not, they can go back and watch, right? Okay, I am sure they don't know. So why don't you tell us?
Guys, if you want, I'm gonna give them more time.
Okay, Nafisa, what were you saying?
Guys, if I forgot.
Alright.
Okay, so this
Are you
is
done
a
with your
must-
painting?
Huh?
Are you done with your painting?
Wait, if you subscribe and you'll see more videos for
Inshallah.
our channel. And this is Muffin Box.
Muffin box, right? A little bite.
If you guessed it, you're right.
Yep, little bit. Oh, beautiful. Amazing, mashallah. Mashallah.
Daddy, I paid. I paid this.
Okay. Beautiful. What
And
is
then I'm
it?
gonna
Oh, this is
draw
ocean,
rainbow.
right? I think this is ocean, right? Isn't it?
to draw a river on an ocean.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for giving me. What do you think I should draw this?
Another day we'll draw something.
No, like
different.
what do you think I should draw this? Like,
On
what
the next
details?
thing, I think it looks amazing so far.
Sophia should draw her on her next one.
Okay, now just say
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye, guys. Subscribe and hit the like button and the bell. And hi, guys. We made this.
Beautiful, right? Awesome, mashallah.
Woo.
Okay, and you got your LOL surprises from last week, which you didn't share with me when you opened it, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry, and then tomorrow I'm gonna deliver. I just was.
No problem. That's your little surprise, right? Okay.
What? How did you do that? How did that happen?
Oh, it was wet when she touched it. Okay.
Don't forget to clean up after done picking. It's very important, or else the house will look very bad. Thank you guys for watching, and give us a big thumbs up, and hit the like, subscribe button, and
All right. Bye.
Assalamualaikum, bye.
Walaikum salam. Bye.